If you use OneNote for notes, sketches, diagrams, or handwritten math, the Rotate ruler is one of those simple tools that can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Rotate ruler in OneNote so you can draw straight lines at any angle with precision. It's quick, it's easy, and once you know where to find it, you'll probably use it all the time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple OneNote tips and software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open OneNote and go to the Draw tab at the top of the screen. This is where all of OneNote's inking tools are located, including pens, highlighters, and the ruler tool. Once you're in the Draw tab, look for the ruler button and click it. When you turn it on, the ruler will appear on your page, ready to use. Now that the ruler is visible, the next step is to position it where you want it. To do that, left-click and drag the body of the ruler across the page. You can move it to line up with the part of your note, diagram, or drawing that you want to guide. This is especially useful if you want to create neat straight lines, underline text at an angle, or build diagrams with more control. Once the ruler is in place, move your mouse cursor so it rests anywhere directly on top of the ruler. This part is important because OneNote uses your cursor position to know when you want to rotate the tool. As soon as your pointer is over the ruler, you're ready for the final step. Now, use your mouse scroll wheel to spin the ruler up or down. As you scroll, the ruler will pivot smoothly in exact 1 degree increments. You'll also see the current angle displayed on your screen, which makes it very easy to fine-tune the rotation. That means you can be super precise, whether you need a slight tilt or a more dramatic angle for your drawing. If you want to adjust the position after rotating it, just drag the ruler again and continue working. You can keep switching between moving and rotating until it matches your layout perfectly. This makes the ruler ideal for notes, technical sketches, geometry work, and any situation where freehand drawing just isn't accurate enough. And that's it. To recap, go to the Draw tab, click the ruler button, drag it into position, hover your cursor over it, and use the mouse scroll wheel to rotate it in 1 degree steps. It's a small feature, but it can really improve the quality and neatness of your OneNote pages. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more OneNote tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.